This is my attempt at putting cabbage back on the menu with this Louisiana Style Cabbage dish. So what you need is one cabbage, and then you just simply slice it up. You then dice some onion and garlic and put about a teaspoon of oil into a pan, and then you start frying the onion and garlic together. Don't forget to add about a teaspoon of thyme. Once the onion's been frying for 5 minutes, you add in the cabbage. You then add a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then some cayenne pepper. You also add half a cup of vegetable stock and some salt and pepper to taste. Then simply mix all the ingredients together and then leave for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once that's done, it should look a nice golden brown. You can then add some meat alternatives. I'm using Linda McCartney's sausages, which are just great. And then you mix that together and it's ready for serving. Make sure to be generous with the portion size so you get a real feel for that soul food. Thanks very much for watching.